Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix pull-up resizing in YouTube. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. For that, open the YouTube app on your Android phone. In the YouTube app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the menu. Then tap on settings at the top right corner of the menu. Here scroll down and find accessibility and tap on it. Here turn on the toggle for accessibility player. Then tap on hide player controls. Then select after 3 seconds option in the pop-up menu. Now go back to the YouTube homepage. And here check your problem is resolved or not. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.